ginagawa mo?
Wala ka. Nilinis ko na ako. Medyo madumi.
Don't worry about it. That's fine. Are you sure ito man?
Ano? Trip na mo. Trip na. Ano ba yun?
Switch? Oh.
Miss.
Ay, finish ka na.
Miss ako ako kasi. CJ, again.
CJ? Dayo ka ba dito?
Ayaw ko dito.
Pahiga. Nakapahiga yung wire.
Hey guys, today Detective Chuck will be coming to talk to us.
Maybe one day you'll get one.
Yung isa pa, oh.
In order to get one, there are some things
Lagay mo muna bago mo ilak yan.
First, you must be smart.
Sorry, Bobby.
Dalawang kamay, Atsi. Yung pa, isa hawakan mo.
You can't be selfish.
You can't be one either.
And third, you have to be a leader. Now, imagine you're a detective and your teacher is...
Baliktad. Ay. Baliktad na naman. O, lagay mo yung battery. Try to on the switch. O, yun, baliktad. Nakita? So, open switch. Tapos, isa pa. Naka-on na. Close mo na yung switch. Pagdali mo na yung battery. Ulitin mo nga, be. Ulitin mo.